Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify page not found. So, if your Shopify store is showing a page not found error, follow these steps to fix it. The first step is checking if the page exists. Go to your online store, then navigate to Pages section. So we'll click on Online Store. We'll navigate to Pages and here you'll have to verify that the page is still listed here. If you don't see it or if it's deleted, recreate your page and update the URL. So you can click on Add Page button at the top right, name this page anything you want and enter the content of that page, then click on Save. Now, after this, your page will be listed again and it will be found after that. Now, another way to fix this problem is updating broken links. So if you have changed a page's URL, update all links pointing to the old one. Use Shopify redirect tool that is in online store, navigation, and here you'll have to navigate to URL redirects. Now, you can easily import your URL redirects or create a new one. Click on Create URL Redirects and here you'll have to choose the original URL that you would like to forward visitors from and the new URL that the visitors should be forwarded to. After doing this, click on Save and you would have updated the broken links. Now, third way to fix this problem is verifying navigation menu links. Navigate to Online Store, navigate to Navigation, and check if menu links are pointing to the correct pages. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is checking the product and collection URLs. So if a product or collection is missing, go to Products, then navigate to Collections and verify that the collection still exists. Update URLs if necessary. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is flushing cache and trying different browser. So you can navigate to three-dotted icon at the top of your browser, click on Settings, and from here you can choose Privacy, Search and Services. Now scroll down, click on Choose What to Clear, and here you can choose to clear your cache, that is cookies and other site data. Click on Clear Now, and that will flush your cache and that can fix your problem. You can also try accessing your store using an incognito window or a different browser. Now, sixth way to fix your problem is disabling problematic apps and custom code. So some apps or theme modifications can cause broken links. Disable any recent changes to see if the issue resolves. So simply click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now, navigate to Apps and Sales Channels and see if there is any app that you recently installed. Simply uninstall that app and that could also fix your problem. Now, after following these steps, your problem will be solved, and if the error still persists, reach out to Shopify support for further troubleshooting.